Hello students, today we are going to study chapter number 7 of class 8 science NCERT textbook, that is conservation of plants and animals. So starting with the topic deforestation, let's start with the definition of deforestation. The clearing of forest and using the land for other purposes is called deforestation. As you can see in the figure given below are the pictures denoting deforestation in some areas. The causes for deforestation are procuring land for cultivation, building houses and factories, using wood as fuel, or making furniture, etc. The natural causes of deforestation are forest fires and drought. Consequences of deforestation: increase in temperature and pollution level on the earth, increase in the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere leading to global warming, lowering of groundwater level, disturbs the balance in nature, and decrease in rainfall leading to drought. What is drought? This will lead to global warming. Drought will lead to global warming as carbon dioxide traps the heat rays reflected by the earth. The increase in temperature on the earth disturbs the water cycle and may reduce rainfall, and this could cause droughts. What is desertification? Removal of the top layer of soil exposes the hard and rocky lower layers, which have very little humus and air. As they are less fertile, soil becomes like desert. It is termed as desertification. Conservation of forest and wildlife. Forest and wildlife can be conserved by setting up areas like biosphere reserves, wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, etc. Let's study about each of them in detail. Biosphere reserves. Biosphere reserves are large areas of protected land for conservation of biodiversity and the traditional life of the tribals living there. National parks. National parks are areas reserved for wildlife where they can freely use the habitats and natural resources. Wildlife sanctuaries. Wildlife sanctuaries are areas where animals are protected from any disturbance to them or their habitat. Wildlife conservation consists of flora and fauna. Flora means plants and fauna means animals. Flora are the plants found in a particular area. For example, the flora of Panchmari consists of sal, teak, wild mango, jamun, silver, ferns, etc. Fauna are the animals found in a particular area. The fauna of Panchmari consists of wild dogs, cheetah, wolf, leopard, blue bull, barking deer, etc. Endemic species. Endemic species are those species of plants and animals found only in a particular area and not found anywhere else. Global warming. Global warming is the change of climate on a global level. Usually, average temperature increases, leading to melting of ice caps in the poles. Excessive pollution and deforestation cause global warming. Make the world a greener place. So how can we make the world a greener place? First, by recycling of paper. Paper industry is a leading cause of deforestation since they need wood pulp. Recycling paper can help in reducing the consumption of wood pulp by the paper industry. So here are the figures given how paper can be recycled. Reforestation. Reforestation is restocking of the destroyed forests by planting new trees. Importance of reforestation: checking biodiversity loss, reducing carbon dioxide in the air by fighting global warming, restoring habitats and erosion and watersheds. Project Tiger. Project Tiger was launched by the government to protect and conserve the dwindling tiger population in the country. Several natural parks have been associated with the Project Tiger initiative. Project Tiger is a tiger conservation program launched in April 1973 by the Government of India. Endangered animals. Animals whose numbers are diminishing to a level that they might face extinction are known as endangered animals. Means the animals which are going to exist, which are not going to exist anymore. Ecosystem. An ecosystem is sum total of all the plants, animals and microorganisms in an area along with non-living components such as climate, soil, river deltas, etc. An ecosystem is formed by the interactions between all living and non-living things. So here is how an ecosystem looks. Red Data Book. Red Data Book is the source book which keeps a record of all the endangered animals and plants. Critically endangered mammals as per the Red Data list of India are Condana rat, Malabar civet, Kashmir stag and river dolphins. Migration. Migration is the periodic movement of animals from one place to another. It is usually done for breeding and to escape harsh climates. Migration is common in birds and fishes. Did you know India has more than half of the world's wild tigers, 65% of the ancient elephants, 85% of the great one-horned rhinoceros, and 100% of the Asian lions? India is the sixth on a list of 12 mega biodiversity countries in the world. It contains 2 of the 34 biodiversity hotspots of the world. So students, with this we complete our chapter number 7 of our class 8th science textbook. Thank you and have a great day.